What is up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, the channel for everything cutting edge in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, your name, and today, we're diving headfirst into Microsoft's groundbreaking new tool, AutoGen Studio. Buckle up, because this is going to be epic. Ever felt lost in a sea of code, trying to build your own AI agent? Let's be real, building AI agents is complex, right? It requires serious coding chops, and let's be honest, not everyone's a coding ninja. But what if I told you there's a way to create powerful AI agents without writing a single line of code? That's where AutoGen Studio swoops in to save the day. Straight from the labs of Microsoft Research, AutoGen Studio is a game changer. It's a low-code platform built on top of their open-source framework, AutoGen. This bad boy is designed to make building and managing AI agents smooth sailing, even for those who aren't coding wizards. Imagine this. Instead of wrestling with lines of code, you're simply dragging and dropping colorful blocks, connecting them like pieces of a puzzle. That's the beauty of AutoGen Studio. It's like Lego for AI. You can visually design your agent's workflow, define its actions, and even train it without breaking a sweat. Let's talk about those AI agents. Imagine creating an AI assistant that can handle customer queries, schedule meetings, even write reports, all without you lifting a finger. With AutoGen Studio, you can build agents that are specialized, adaptable, and can work together seamlessly. It's like having a team of AI experts at your beck and call. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about traditional coding? Well, AutoGen Studio hasn't forgotten about the hardcore developers. It comes with a powerful Python API, giving you the flexibility to fine-tune your agents and unleash your coding prowess if you want to. Debugging? We've all been there. But with AutoGen Studio, it's a breeze. The platform offers powerful debugging and testing tools, allowing you to identify bottlenecks, optimize performance, and ensure your AI agents are working flawlessly. It's like having X-ray vision for your code. The best part? AutoGen Studio's applications are limitless. From healthcare to finance, education to customer service, this tool is already making waves in various industries. Imagine AI agents assisting doctors with diagnoses, automating financial transactions, or even personalizing learning experiences. The possibilities are truly mind-blowing. AutoGen Studio isn't just a tool. It's a glimpse into the future of AI development. With its intuitive interface and powerful capabilities, it's empowering individuals and businesses of all sizes to harness the power of AI, regardless of their technical expertise. It's democratizing AI, and that's something to be excited about. So, what do you think about AutoGen Studio? Share your thoughts and predictions for the future of AI in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the AI game. And hey, if you're as passionate as I am about building a strong AI community, consider becoming a member of All About AI Tech. I'm continually learning and striving to bring you the best content, and your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep exploring the incredible world of AI.